In this video, I'm upgrading the Hot Wheels Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, a small project, but with details that completely transform the model. This is the Hot Wheels model, the simple casting, but with strong lines and plenty of character. With just a few subtle upgrades, it starts to feel less like a toy and more like a scaled-down classic. This build is all about subtle realism and how just a few careful touches can take a stock Hot Wheels to the next level. To make things even more interesting, I also included the Rhino Model Alfa Romeo GTV6 limited edition. And later, I'll be taking side-by-side photos to compare it directly with the Hot Wheels version. The main upgrade here is a wheel swap. I'm using an aftermarket wheel set from Carmoda. These wheels come with rubber tires and metal photo-etched brake discs, which instantly give the car a much more realistic presence. I started by assembling the brake components, carefully gluing them together, and aligning them with the wheels. This step is important, because once everything is fixed in place, there's no going back. For removing the original wheels, I used a pair of cutting pliers. It's faster than using a grinder, and much quieter too, perfect for late-night bench time. When I test-fitted the new wheels, I noticed they were sliding left and right on the axle, so I added a small spacer, just enough to center them properly and get the alignment right. Once the wheels were fixed in place, everything clicked. The stance was perfect, the proportions looked right, and honestly, I was very satisfied with the new look. Next up, the exhaust. Like most standard Hot Wheels models, the exhaust pipes were chunky plastic, with no depth. Instead of replacing them with metal parts, I decided to drill them out. A small change, but it made a huge visual difference. For the lights, I used red and orange paint pens to bring them to life. Then I used a thin black marker to carefully draw the outlines and add extra details on the hood and around the front lights. These small details don't jump out immediately, but they add depth and realism when you look closer. I then moved on to the printed license plates. After cutting them carefully to size, I fixed them in place, making sure they sat naturally and didn't look oversized. Here are the before and after images. The difference is clear. No extreme modifications, no repaint, just minimal, thoughtful touches that completely change how the car feels. To finish things off, I took both models out for a quick ride in the countryside for a short photo shoot, letting the Alfa Romeo GTV6 feel right at home. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the content. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the upcoming builds.